What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at something I stumbled across called a Fretwrap. The price is astronomical. I would never pay $30-some for it, so I wanted to share this with you guys. Basically, it goes behind your nut and it dampens the strings here. You also can put it in front of the nut, and the idea is to dampen those notes that are ringing out after you strum. So you don't want to really tighten this, you kind of want to have it loose. So my idea to this, and it seems to work pretty good, is just take a regular piece of Velcro, and this is the soft side, the part that does not hook. Cut it 6.5 inches in length, and then if we flip it over here, you can see I cut 1 1/8 inches of the hook type stuff. You can see all I did is just stitch a line right around there and secure it. And that is the dimensions you need to make your own Fretwrap literally in 5 minutes. And you're not going to pay $30, that's for sure.